Welcome to the future of AI-driven business success. Discover AutoPromptKit. Ever wondered why some businesses just get it with AI while others seem to be playing catch-up? Picture this. You're at the helm of your business, navigating through the choppy waters of modern marketing. You know there's a treasure trove of potential with AI, but it feels like you're missing a secret map. That's where AutoPromptKit sails in. Not just as a tool, but as your AI compass, leading you to uncharted territories of business success. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, staring at a blank screen, wondering how to make your next marketing campaign resonate with your audience. You're not alone. This is the story of countless entrepreneurs in the digital age, struggling to find that perfect alignment between their brand's voice and the ever-evolving demands of the market. This is where AutoPromptKit steps in, turning your struggles into strides. The challenge is clear. How do you leverage AI, specifically ChatGPT, to not just communicate but captivate? Enter AutoPromptKit. It's not just another tool in your arsenal. It's your secret weapon. With its precision-engineered prompts, tailored to your brand's unique narrative, AutoPromptKit transforms every ChatGPT interaction from mere conversations to impactful conversions. Custom-crafted content. Imagine content that doesn't just speak to your audience, but sings to them in your brand's voice. Market-specific mastery. Think of a tool so finely tuned that it resonates with your specific market segment, setting you miles apart from the competition. Trend awareness. Stay ahead with prompts that are not just current but cutting-edge, reflecting trends and consumer behaviors in real time. Creativity unleashed. Bid farewell to writer's block. Our prompts are like a muse for your marketing, igniting innovative ideas and distinctive content. Emotional connection. Each prompt is a bridge to your customer's heart, building deeper, more meaningful relationships with your brand. Cross-platform engagement. From blog posts to tweets, our prompts amplify your presence across all digital platforms, enhancing your virtual footprint. Continuous improvement. Evolution is key. Our system thrives on feedback, adapting and refining to keep your audience perpetually engaged. Email campaigns revolutionized. Watch your email metrics soar as our personalized prompts resonate directly with your subscribers' needs and interests. But there's more. AutoPromptKit is a trove of time-saving templates, profit-boosting strategies, and insights from seasoned entrepreneurs. It's a toolkit designed not just for today, but for the future of your business. You also get the Prompt Improver system. Our continuous evolution system ensures that your content strategy always stays ahead, adapting and refining with your growing business needs. You get cross-industry versatility, whether you're in tech, healthcare, or retail. AutoPromptKit speaks your language, resonating with any industry. And we cover user-generated content. Amplify your reach with prompts that inspire your audience to share their stories, adding authenticity to your brand narrative. So what's next? Two paths lie before you, and you can click the buy button below this video. If you're ready to leap into the future of AI-driven business success, take action now. AutoPromptKit is more than a purchase. It's an investment in your business's future. Or two, if you need more information, scroll down. Dive deeper into the world of AutoPromptKit. Discover how it's not just meeting, but exceeding the content creation needs of businesses like yours. You're at a crossroads. One path leads to the same old, the mundane, the safe, a world where AI is just a buzzword. The other, a path less traveled, where AI is your ally, your tool, your voice. This is the path where AutoPromptKit awaits, ready to redefine the curve in your industry, transforming queries into engagement, engagement into sales, and sales into unprecedented growth. Your journey to becoming an AI communication powerhouse begins now. The question isn't if you're ready, but when. And the answer, it should be now. Because in the world of business, timing isn't just everything. It's the only thing. Make your move. Let AutoPromptKit be the compass guiding your business towards uncharted success. The future isn't just coming. It's here, and it starts with AutoPromptKit. Don't just chase trends, set them. Don't just dream of success, achieve it. AutoPromptKit is your key to unlocking the full potential of AI in your business narrative. The next chapter of your business story is waiting to be written, and it starts with a simple click or a scroll. Seize this moment. Propel your business forward. With AutoPromptKit, the future of AI-driven business communication isn't just within reach, it's already here.